Here is how you can approve in-app purchases on the iPhone. Let's get started and let me show you how it works. If you're new here, definitely subscribe for more explanations and videos like this one. And so if in-app purchases currently don't work on a device, you can check out the settings by going to the main settings app and seeing the screen time section. Then below, we can find the content and privacy restrictions, which is the place we need to head to. And you can tell that we have the iTunes and App Store purchases menu at the top of the list. So if you click on this, you will have the ability to essentially decide if you allow installing apps, deleting apps, or in-app purchases. So it could be the case that in-app purchases are simply not allowed, and in that case, you can change the settings here to make it work in the future. So that's the first thing. However, if you would want someone else to, to see their purchases and approve of them, like your kid or something, then you can set up an Apple account within the Apple family. Because if I go to my Apple family sharing, you can tell that it is everybody in here is like adult, but you can set up an iPhone account for somebody else, for a child, right? And in that case, you have more control over that account, and you can enable a feature which is called Ask to Buy, which will leave you or give you the ability to approve of any downloads or purchases by clicking either the approve or decline button for that particular account. So that would be something which you can most definitely do, and that is probably even a better option for a lot of people. So let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I hope to see you later in the future videos too.